The back of these pads feature two snap buttons which accommodate the type of fit that you want. These are medium flow pads. They have longer ones for heavier flows as well. If you are looking for more environmentally friendly options in comparison to your traditional pads, then you can give these ones a try. The material on this pad feels like a fleece, but it is actually a charcoal bamboo material. Yes, it's soft to the touch and it feels like it would be pretty absorbent. But again, these pads are for people with a medium flow. So if you have a heavier flow, then you might want to go for the longer ones. So now I'm just going to show you guys how we put the pads on to the underwear. So we lay it nice and flat and then very carefully snap it into place. Now if you want a tighter fit, then I would suggest doing the second one. So this is like the more loose fit, but it's still pretty secure on the underwear. See how flat it lays? So it's laying pretty flat and secure on the underwear, and hopefully it would stay that way once you actually start walking and moving around. See, it's pretty secure. Let me just show you how it would fit with using the second button option. See, it's even more tightly fitted to the underwear and it's still laying pretty flat. So I think these would be pretty secure while you're wearing them. Now it's time to remove the pad from the underwear, and you'd want to do this very carefully. So you just roll it down like you would a traditional pad. But in this case, we're going to be snapping it into place. And there you have it. So this is what the used reusable pads look like once you've used them and you have folded them away in preparation for washing. This bag is actually leak proof, so there won't be any leakage. You won't have to worry about any of those things. Thanks guys, thank you so much for watching this video.